Hello everyone. Today we are going to start class 6 social science. Okay, in social science we are going to study three books. The first one is what geography, second one is history, and the third one is the civics. Okay, so let us start from the geography. So the first chapter of geography is what the earth in the solar systems. Okay, let us start the first chapters. So during the night times, when we look at the skies, we see what? Stars. Okay, that means some star are what? Some star are twinkle and some star are dim and some star are so much shining. Okay, and some star are dims. Okay, and if you look, okay, 1 minute or 2 minutes, then suddenly the sky is what look like a diamonds. Okay, why it look like a diamond? Because of the sign of the stars. Okay, not only star we see what, even the moon also. Okay, we see the moon. That means moon. Okay, moon is what? The size and the shape of the moon is not same every day. That means it goes on what? Changing. The shape and size of what? It goes on changing. uh, one day we see what? Full moon, and after that it become what? Decrease. Then after it become what? Fully dark. Then after that it slowly what happen? We see what? A small piece of what? Moon, and after that it become increase. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, so during full moon we see what? The full. Okay, that means the full round. Okay, that is, we used to call it what? Purnima. And after that it became what? The new moons. Okay, the new moons, then that means in the night we see the moon as well as the stars. Okay, not only that one. Okay, we see so many objects. Okay, the sun, the moon, and all objects shining in the night sky, okay, are called celestial body. Okay, celestial body means what? Celestial body means it include what? Sun. Not only sun, even the moon also. Okay, and all objects shining in the night sky. That means it include both day as well as night. You have to know. Okay, that means sun used to shine during the what? Daytimes. Okay, and moon and all other objects shining. Okay, light star, that is called what? Celestial bodies. Okay, and some celestial body are very big. Okay, some bodies are very big as well as very hot. Okay, why they are very big as well as very hot? Because they are made up of gases. Okay, and they have their own heat and light. That means that some celestial body, they have, okay, they are very big as well as hot. Why? Because they are made up of gases, and they used to produce, okay, their own heat as well as light, okay, in a very large amount. That type of celestial body are called what? Stars. And sun is also included in a star. Okay, sun is also one type of what? Stars. Okay, and what happened? Countless twinkling star in the night sky similar to the sun. That means, okay, that means we can call that even the sun is also what? A star. That means why we do not get heat, okay, from the stars? Because it is very far away from us. Okay, we have to know. That means sun is also a type of what? Star. And you can ask questions, sir, why we don't get any heat or heat from the star? Because it is very far away from us. Okay, that means sun is what? Somewhat very near to us. Okay, that is the reasons. Okay, so I can give you the one example. That is what? When we look, okay, when we see what? Aeroplane, okay, flying in the sky, that means it look what? It look very small. But when we go near to aeroplane, it is what? Very big. That means when we see, okay, one object one object from far away, then it is what? Very small. When we go near to that object, then it seem what? Very large. That is the reasons. Okay, so that is the reason why we didn't get heat from the stars. Okay, and next is what, when we look star at night, that means we can see a number of stars. Okay, that means we cannot count. Okay, we cannot count the number of stars. Okay, but we can count some bright stars. Okay, that is distinct, very distinct stars. Okay, we can we can see that distinct stars. So when we imagine to join that star group of stars, when we join that means it forms some structures. Okay, some structure or some patterns. Okay, that is called what, constellations. Suppose if you see 5 or 7 star, then when it join, it become what, it become some shape. Okay, some shapes. Okay, here they are given one that is uh, what example here. Okay, that means what is mean by constellation, they can ask. Okay, that is what you can find the answer from here. Okay, various pattern formed by the different group of star. Okay, these are called what, constellation. Some example are Ursa Major and the big measures. Okay, big measures. Okay, and one of the most easily recognizable, okay, constellation is a small bear or the Saptarishi. That the another example is also given here, a small bear. Okay, that we used to call it what, Saptarishi. Okay, that we used to call it what, Saptarishi. Okay, this one. Okay, this is called a Saptarishi. Okay, so from here, okay, that means we can join and it can form what, Saptarishi. Sapta means, okay, Saptarishi, they have their own meaning. Okay, Sapta means what, 7, Rishi means what, sage. Okay, this is it form what, some patterns. Okay, and one more important star is what, that is what, pole star, this one. Okay, this pole star is very important. If you look from here, then means if you join these 2 star, okay, if you look carefully, then you will find what, pole stars. Okay, that means you have to face towards the what, north. Okay, that means look here, then when you look carefully, then it will find what, poles, north star. And another name of pole star is what, we used to call it what, pole star or north star. Okay, and why we call it this pole star, because the position, okay, the direction and the position does not what, change, it remain what, fixed. Okay, that means we can suppose in ancient time. Okay, I can give you example. In ancient times, okay, in ancient time, the people, okay, the ancient people, they use what, that this pole star or pole star or a north star to indicate the directions. That means to find your direction. Okay, so but nowadays we can find this is north and this is west, then this is what, east. That means we can find directly easily through what, compass. But during that time there is no compass, they used to find the direction through what, only through this pole star, with the help of pole star. During daytime they doesn't have any problem. Why? The sun used to rise always in the east direction. Okay, from that they can locate very easily. Okay, during daytime. But at night time it is difficult to find directions, so they use, okay, pole star. Okay, that means in ancient time people use what, people use determine direction during the night. Okay, with the help of stars. Okay, that is what the north star indicate the north direction. It is called what, pole star. It also remain in the same position in the sky. Okay, that means, okay, that means why they use pole star, because the position does not change. Okay, that means it is always fixed in that pole. Okay, in the pole, in the north direction. Okay, so that's why they doesn't change. Okay, and the celestial body, okay, some celestial body do not have their own heat and light. Okay, that means we have already studied that stars. Okay, stars, suns. Okay, that is star is also a part of what? um, Sun is also a part of stars. Okay, that means that star used to produce their heat and light. Okay, but some celestial body that doesn't produce their heat as well as light. Okay, that type of, okay, bodies, they are called what? Planet. They are called planet. This planet come from a Greek word. Okay, this planet, okay, it is derived from the Greek word, that is what? A planetai. Okay, the planetai, that means the wanderer. Okay, so look here, our earth is our earth is also one type of planet. Okay, the our earth is also one type of planet. That means our earth, okay, our earth used to get what? Heat and light from where? From the sun. That means the sun is our nearest stars. Okay, we have to take that sun is our nearest star. From that sun we used to get what? Heat and light. Okay, and the moon that we see in the sky, okay, it is a satellite. Yes, okay, moon is a what? Natural satellite. We have already know moon is our satellite. Okay, it is our natural it is our earth. Okay, it is our earth satellites. Okay, it is our natural satellite. You have to remain. Okay, this is not an artificial. Okay, that means that moon, okay, used to what? Round. Okay, round the earth. Okay, it take 1 month to round. Okay, our earth, there are 8 other planets that get heat and light from the suns. Okay, that means there are, okay, there are, that means there are 8. Okay, there are 8 more, okay, planet, okay, which include what? Our earth. That means they used to get heat and light from where? From the sun. Even the moon is also what? They are getting light from where? From the suns. Okay, so let us start the next topic, that is what? The solar systems. Okay, what are the things, okay, that include in the solar system? Okay, in solar systems, okay, the sun, okay, the 8 planet, the satellite, and other celestial bodies, okay, known as what? Asteroids and meteoroids. Okay, meteoroids form the solar system. That means solar system, okay, solar system include what? Solar systems include the suns. Okay, look here. Yes, solar system include the sun, the 8 planet, okay, satellite, and the other celestial body like asteroid and meteoroid, and they form what? The solar systems. Okay, it is they form what? Solar systems. Okay, and in the solar system, sun is the head. Okay, that means the sun is the head. It is just like a family. Okay, suppose you can take one example. Okay, in a family, who is the head? The elder one. Okay, the elder one, that is your grandfather is or your father is what? Is the head of the family. Like that, in the solar system family, who is the head? The sun is the head. Okay, let us study about the sun. Okay, what is sun? Okay, so we have already known that sun is in the center of the solar system. That means sun lie in the center of the solar systems. Okay, and it is huge and made up of extremely hot gases. Yes, we have already know that sun is what? In the center of the solar systems, and they are made up of hot gases. Okay, hot gases, and one important character is what? This sun provide, okay, one pulling force, okay, that bind all the what? Solar systems. Okay, that bind all the solar system. That means from sun it produce one what? Force. Okay, with that force, okay, it bind all the planet. Okay, you can say all the planet or all the objects. Okay, all the objects, if bind, that means they used to what? Revolve in a fixed, then they used to revolve in a fixed position or the fixed path. Okay, so with this, okay, that means sun used to produce, okay, a special type of force, that is what? Pulling force. Okay, it used to bind all the solar system. Okay, the sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. That means from the sun, all the planet, they used to get what? Heat and light. Okay, but the tremendous heat is not feel so much, okay, by us, because despite our nearest star, okay, it is far away from us. The sun is about, what is the distance between the sun and earth? It is 150 million kilometers. Okay, the distance between the sun and the earth is what? 150 million kilometers. Okay, the earth, okay, we doesn't feel that much heat or that much cold because of their distance. Okay, their distance is what? Somewhat good. Okay, so if we are very near to sun, that means we may feel very hot. Okay, suppose if we are very far away from the sun, that means we will feel very cold. Okay, so one most important thing is what? The locations, or you can say the distance. Okay, the distance between the sun is only 150 million kilometers. Okay, and next topic is what? The planet. Okay, so how many planet we have? We have 8 planet. Okay, we have what? 8 planet. Okay, so they are given here in order of distance. The first, okay, next to sun is what? Mercury, and next is what? Venus, Earth, okay, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, Neptune. That means they are given here according to their distance. Okay, all these planet, okay, all these planet of the solar system move around the suns, okay, in a fixed path. That means this 8 planet, okay, this 8 planet, what happened? They used to move, okay, they used to move around the what? Sun. Okay, that means they move, okay, they used to move around the suns. Okay, that means the sun is in the center, then all the planets are revolving around the suns. Okay, you have to know that one. They are moving in a fixed path. Okay, that part, okay, that part, these part are what? Elongated. They are not in the circle form. Okay, they are in the elongated form. This elongated part, it is called what? Orbit. Okay, this elongated part, it is known as what? Orbit. Okay, and the Mercury is the nearest. Okay, I have already told you, Mercury is the nearest to the sun. Okay, it takes how many days? 88 days to complete one round, or one round along its orbits. Okay, that means Mercury used to take what? To complete the one revolution or one round of the sun, it take how many days? 88 days. Okay, nearly 3 months. Okay, nearly 3 months. Okay, so but the earth used to take how many days? 365 days. Okay, and one important planet is what? Venus. Okay, Venus is also known as what? The twin, earth twin. Okay, in Manipuri we used to call it what? Phaibok. Okay, earth ki phaibok, पृथ्वी की फाइबोक ती कनानो Venus. Okay, that Venus, okay, that Venus, it is also known as what? The earth twins. Okay, before 2006, okay, before August 2016, okay, Pluto is also included in what? In planet. But today's, this Pluto is not included in planet. Okay, before that, we while we are what student, we used to learn, okay, there are 8 9 planet. Okay, but today we have learned that we have only what? 8 planet. Okay, why? Pluto is what? The scientists, okay, the astronomers, they have studied, okay, very carefully, and they find that the Pluto is not a planet. Okay, so it is a dwarf planet, so that's why they are what? Taken off from the planet. Okay, so the next is what? Art. Okay, the next is what? The next topic is what? Art. Yes, art is also a very important. Yes, we used to live on the earth. The earth is the third planet nearest to the sun. That means the earth lies in the third position. Okay, in the size, okay, in size, it is in the fifth rank. Okay, out of 8 planet, if you compare according to size, it is in the 5th rank, and the sun, that means the earth position is what, in the third position. Okay, the earth lies in the third position. So look here, the earth is the earth is what, flattened at the top, at the pole. What happened, it is what, flattened. So that's why the earth shape is what, described as a geoid. Okay, the earth shape, it is described as a geoid. Geoid means what, earth like shape. Okay, geoid means what, the earth like shape. Okay, so look here, the earth is the only planet where life is supported. Okay, where life is supported. So one base reason is what, its position. The earth is what, the earth doesn't feel too much hot or too much cold. Okay, too much hot or too much cold. That is the one important point. And the second important point is what, it has waters. Okay, air. Okay, it has water and air. That means it is very important for the survival. Okay, air has a life supporting gases, what, like oxygen. Okay, that is the main reason. Okay, that is the main reason it make, okay, a unique planet. Okay, it make the unique planet where life is supported. Okay, the earth appear blue because it 2/3 place is covered by water. It is called a blue planet. Okay, that means when we look our earth from far away from space, okay, the earth seem to be blue in colors. Why? Because 2/3, okay, 2/3 it is occupied by water. Haibadi saruk ahum thokpagi anidi isingna occupy tauba ko, saruk ahum thokpagi amana kanana, kangfalna. Okay, that means more than half of the portion is occupied by what, water. So that's why the earth, it is called a blue planet. Okay, and the next is what, the moon. Okay, so our earth has one satellite. Okay, our earth has what, how many satellite, one. Okay, that is what, natural satellites. Okay, so that is what, moon. Its diameter is only 1/4 of the earth. Okay, its diameter is only 1/4 that of the earth. Okay, it appears so big. Okay, why it appears so big? Because it is very near to our planet. Okay, it is very near to our planet, to our planet. So what is the distance? Its distance is what, 3,84,400 kilometers. Okay, the distance between the earth and the moon is what, 3,84,400 kilometers. Okay, the moon move, okay, the moon move around the earth. It take what, 27 days. Okay, it take exactly the same times to complete one spins. Okay, this is very important. That means the moon used to move, okay, around the earth. It take how many days? 27 days. Okay, it take exactly the same time to complete one spin. Okay, one spin, it take what, exactly the same time of one spin. Okay, the moon does not have condition for favorable of life. It has neither water nor air. It has what, mountains. Okay, it has what, mountain, plain, depressions on its surface. This cast shadows. Okay, shadows on the moon surface. Yes, look here, the moon. Okay, the moon doesn't have, okay, the moon doesn't have what, moon doesn't have water or air, but it has what, mountains or the depression area. Okay, we have already know that one. Okay, why? That's why that is the reason. Okay, where life is not support in the moon. Okay, where air, water is there, then automatically life support is possible, otherwise it is impossible. Okay, so when we see, okay, when we look moon at the full moon night, then we see some dark, okay, darkened area, that is a depression part, okay, and we see some what bright part, that is what, that is the mountain region. We have to know that one, okay. And next topic is what, that is what, asteroid, okay, asteroid. That means apart from star, okay, apart from star, planet and satellites, okay, there are numerous tiny objects which move around these suns, okay, these are called asteroid. That means look here. Yes, we have already studied about what, planet, okay, stars like that. But what happened, apart from planet, we have the tiny what, tiny bodies, that is, that can be what, tiny body, that can be stone or rock, okay, rock. That means they have their own area, okay, we can say that that is a bell, okay, that is called an asteroid, okay, that is called an asteroid, okay. Tiny body which move around the sun, okay, these body are called what, asteroid. Asteroid have their own what, own position, that is what they used to find between the Mars and the Jupiter. That means this asteroid belt, okay, this asteroid they used to find between the what, between the Mars and Jupiter's, okay. And the scientists are viewed that the asteroids are the part of the planet which were exploited many years back, okay. Asteroid we there is a what, a small piece of what, our planet, okay. In ancient time, what happened, the big planet was broken into so many pieces, okay. That big pieces, they form what, planet, that small planet, okay. Some small planet they cannot what, form, okay, they cannot form planet, that is what, it form the tiny bodies, okay, that is what we used to call it what, asteroid, okay. And the next topic is what, meteoroid, okay. Next topic is what, meteoroid is also very important, okay. A small pieces of rock which move around the suns are called what, meteoroid. That means, okay, that is also meteoroid doesn't have any fixed position, okay. That means they are moving, okay, they used to move around the sun, okay. Sometimes this meteoroid, okay, sometimes this meteoroid they move, okay, they come nearer to our earth, okay. When they come near to earth, what happened, then what happened, when they comes, they used to strike with the ear, okay, they used to strike with the ear, and it produced what, frictions, okay. And when it started what, friction, it produced a lot of light, okay, it produced a lot of light, and it started what, burning, okay. When it started what, burning, okay, and it formed what, shooting star, okay. In Manipuri we used to call it what, Thawan Michak Mathi, okay, Thawan Michak Mathi, that is what, shooting star, okay. So when these tiny bodies, okay, when this tiny piece of rock, when the big rock, okay, come towards the earth, okay, it cannot burn completely, then what happened, it falls on the earth, okay, it form what, the hollow, okay. When it fall on the earth, create as a hollow, okay, it create a hollow, okay. We have to remember that one, okay. So in the night, okay, in the night, what happened, when we look, okay, carefully, when we look carefully, when it when there is what, you can look during the what, clear sky time, okay. In the clear sky time, when we look at the sky, what happened, we see, okay, we see a glowing part, okay, glowing part across the sky, okay, on a clear starry night, okay. It is a cluster of millions of stars. This band, it is called a Milky Way, okay. This part is very difficult. So look here, when we look, okay, at the skies, we are able to see like this, okay, these pictures, okay. This is a what, this bright, okay, this bright is what, it is a star, Okay, it is a million of stars. This is not produced by a one star. Okay, it is produced by a million of stars. Okay, and this is called a galaxy. Okay, this is called a what galaxy? That is called our solar system. It is a part of what? Milky Way galaxy. Okay, this is called a Milky Way galaxy. This is one type of galaxy. Its name is what? Milky Way galaxy. In Hindi we used to call it what? Akash Ganga. Okay, in Hindi we used to call it what? Akash Ganga. Galaxy, okay, galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars, okay, and cloud of dust and gases. That means galaxy is formed by a huge of millions and billions of what? Stars and the dust and cloud of what? Dust and gases. There are what? There are million of galaxy that make the universe. Okay, that means when this galaxy, okay, when this galaxy have what? Million of galaxy, and it form what? Universe. Okay, it form what? Universe. It is difficult, okay, it is difficult to imagine how big the universe is. That means in universe you will find so many galaxy. Okay, there are millions and millions of galaxy, and our galaxy is what? Our solar system is also one type of what? It is also included in one galaxy, that is what? Milky Way galaxies. Okay, so the scientists are still trying to find out more and more about it. We are not able to what certain about its size, but we know that all of us, okay, you and I belongs to the universe. Yes, we have already know that that means the universe is very big. Okay, from this picture you can easily find, okay, you can easily know that one. Suppose this is what? Our earth. That means suppose this is a people, then people used to live in what? The earth. Earth is belongs to solar systems. Okay, earth is belongs to solar system. Our solar system is belongs to what? The Milky Way galaxy. And there are so many galaxy. Okay, so our solar system is belongs to what? Milky Way galaxy. And this Milky Way galaxies, okay, it is belongs to the universe. Okay, yes, we have completed these chapters. Okay, for today we have already completed these chapters. Okay, if you have any doubts, then you can send me message, okay, through the Googles or WhatsApps. Okay, Google's Meet or WhatsApps. Okay, suppose look here. Yes, we have already that means how do planet differ from the star. Okay, these are the question and answer. I'm going to give you I'm going to send you, okay, this notes as well as question and answers. Okay, you can do is that please do read. Okay, please do read and practice as much as possible during this COVID-19 situation. Okay, the second wave have already arrived, so that's why we are taking the help of YouTube's, okay, plus the Google's Meet. Okay, so look here. So in next class we are going to learn the another topics. Okay, for today we have already completed these chapters. Okay, so you can find here, okay, one this important picture is the, okay, this one. Okay, the sun is here. Okay, the sun is here. That means the sun is here, and here the Mercury is the nearest to the suns. Okay, and next is what? Mercury, Venus, Earth, okay, Mars. Okay, and here you will find what? Asteroid belt. Okay, and this is what? Jupiter's. Okay, and next is what? Saturn's and Uranus, and here Neptune's. Okay, even you can find here that's, okay, how many days it takes. Okay, that means the Mercury used to take what? 88 days. Okay, Venus used to take what? How many days? 265. Okay, Earth used to take what? 365 days. Okay, and Mars, how many? 687. Okay, and Saturn and so on. Okay, you will find 11 years, okay, and 29 years and 84 years and like that. Okay, and that means when it become very far away from the sun, that means they used to move a long distance. Okay, they used to move a long distance, so that's why that is the main reasons they are very they are taking so much times. Okay, so Mercury is the very nearest one, so it take less times. Okay, okay, thank you so much. Okay, we will see you in next video. Okay, thank you.